gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Woodward day 3, I think. It is already busy on Woodward, and we are going to a different location today. Hopefully, we see less C8 Corvettes than we did yesterday. We saw 86 yesterday. If you guys missed that video, link will pop up somewhere on the screen. It's already kind of getting rowdy, which is fun. So let's get straight into the content. I will catch you guys in a second. We've already seen one person get pulled over, and we've been on Woodward for about 200 yards. That is just gorgeous. Nice. CO6, baby. It's a whole boat. That's cool. I like the pink, not gonna lie. Wrap job's decent too. Gang. Oh, they're all turning. Look at all these boys. That's hilarious. We got blue on blue on blue with the Forgiatos. I'm digging. I like that color on the Urus. It's like a desert tan kind of deal. Very nice.
Got it?
Somebody tell me why this 911 has a canoe. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. That's just phenomenal right there. Jeez. That's awesome. Oh, there's 3. There's 3 right in a row. Just called Poofisher. So I think he's showing up in the 600 LT. We'll see. Yeah, it's about yay thin. Holy cow.
Well, they're a bitch to get in and out of. So
I was going to say, is it comfortable? Because you've been driving around for a couple hours, right?
It's just getting in and out of them.
Jeez.
I'll be watching. It'll take us about an hour to get there.
Yeah, right. You weren't kidding? Oh.
Yeah.
Well, that sounds so good right behind your head. That's nuts. Yeah, this is so much louder. Oh my gosh.
I didn't want to do that. I was hoping my tires were hot. I've never really squealed them like that on launch.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have found ourselves in a 600 LT, the purple 600 LT. Very fun. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. A couple months ago, we were in the 720S, and I gotta say this is a completely different experience because we got the top down, first of all. Second of all, we don't have a helmet on. Third of all, we're on Woodward for the Dream Cruise, so it's just wild. We are about to enter Pontiac airspace, ladies and gents. So we'll just kind of keep you updated. We have left the home base for a minute, but got a twin turbo V8 radio playing right behind our ears. Cheers. Is it hardwired?
Yeah.
Oh.
But you could tell when I took off there, that thing went to an 8 full.
Jeez.
He was watching my speed there.
I've never seen that.
Yeah.
Dude, look at these people. See you, man. We have some smoke in the air. Is that Lyle again? No. Unless he had a son in the last 30 minutes.
Unless you had a 3-year-old son.
3-year-old son. I love people with coexist stickers. Ladies and gentlemen, we have encountered some precipitation this evening, and we are huddled under the tent. incredible. We've seen some burnouts, we've seen some shenanigans, I suppose you can say. But we are on the way to M1 Concourse. Be there in about 3 minutes, hopefully. It's right over here. Following D-Block in the diesel Bighorn Ram. I see. 911, I thought this was a 992. That is the cleanest inner barrel I've ever seen in my life.
What do we got here?
We would have to adjust the seat to be comfortable, but I do dig it. Haven't started the S5 in 13 days. Oh, it is just neglected and yucky. Today we are headed to the shop. One, because it's a work day. Two, because we have stuff to do to the car. The S5 is going under construction, front end wise anyway. I know in the last couple videos I mentioned what we're doing, getting it prepped, getting it ready for a pretty cool thing I haven't quite unveiled yet. I did post on my Instagram story like once, so if you guys already know, cat's out of the bag. The S5 is going to be in the North American International Auto Show with Rally King. So we're going to their booth kind of area there. I guess we have room for a bunch of cars, so we're gonna see the whole crew there. If you guys are going to NAIAS, comment down below, come see us, come say hi. We need the S5 looking mint. So we're doing a few things in the shop today to get that done. One, yesterday I PPF'd my new mirror caps. I got carbon mirror caps in the mail from German Car Accessories, as well as the front grille. Wrapped up with Woodward Dream Cruise, got back here, did some car mods. So the mods for the S5 that we did this week are already recorded and finished. Just need to edit the videos and then upload them later. So if you guys want to see the grill install and the mirror caps install, those are gonna be separate just because they're like searchable things that people would want to see separate. So that's the deal on that. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Really just wanted to let you know that the car is going to be in the North American International Auto Show this year. Super exciting. I've never actually been, so it'll be a first kind of experience being in the show and going and kind of spectating and walking around, doing all the media stuff. So super pumped for that. If you guys want to stick around for those videos, make sure to subscribe. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you.